Hello friends, I am Ashish. Welcome to my channel Age Tech Talk. By looking at thumbnail, you already understand what I am going to discuss. As we know, after food and shelter, electricity is an important part of our lives. Nothing is possible in present life without electricity. If we remove this power, we will go back to Stone Age again. Everyone should know these blessings of our lives. So, I want to share my knowledge with you from my working experience in thermal power station and coal mine. That's why I am going to release a series of tutorials on coal-based thermal power station and open cast coal mine. Please stay with me till end. Let's start after a short intro. Definition of thermal power station. A thermal power station is a power station in which heat energy is converted to electric power. Water is heated to produce saturated steam, and this high pressure steam spins a steam turbine which drives an electrical generator. After work done by the turbine, the steam is condensed in a condenser and recycled to where it was heated. Rankine cycle followed in thermal power station. Let's understand it by process diagram. From coal mines, coal is transported via railway wagon or dumper truck to the fuel storage and processing unit called CHP in power station. After crushing the coal in crusher, small size coal particles transferred to coal bunker through coal conveyor belt. From coal bunker, coal is fed to coal mill through coal feeder. The function of coal feeder is to feed coal to coal mill as per demand in control way. Coal mill grind the coal and convert it to very fine particles, just like talcum powder. PFN supply air for conveying of the pulverized coal from coal mill to the boiler furnace through coal carrying pipe for combustion. Fuel oil is also required for boiler initial light up and for flame stabilization. For complete combustion of fuel, extra air called secondary air comes from FD fan. This extra air injected to boiler furnace through nozzle. Before start up a boiler, DM plant supply DM water to boiler drum. The heat energy obtained from coal is used to convert water into steam. This steam is at high pressure and temperature. After burning the coal, coal is converted to ash and produce many gases. This combination of ash and gas is called flue gas. This flue gas is sent for further process. Pulverized coal plus primary air and secondary air from FD fan enters into boiler furnace and by combustion produce saturated steam at about 149 kg per centimeter square pressure and 540 degree centigrade temperature. This high pressure and high temperature steam enters into steam turbine. After work done, low pressure and low temperature steam enters into condenser. Cooling water cool the steam and the steam condense into condensate and stored in hot oil. After taking heat from steam, cooling water sent to cooling tower for release its heat and for further use. Air ejector is used to maintain vacuum inside condenser. Condensate extraction pump sucks condensate from hot oil and deliver it to deaerator through low pressure heater. Boiler feed pump takes suction from deaerator and delivers it to boiler drum with high pressure through high pressure heater and economizer. Generally, flue gas from the boiler exhaust are at high temperature We recovered this waste heat by preheat the water in economizer and air in air preheater. Then flue gases are fed to electrostatic precipitator where ashes are collected to minimize air pollution, and a rest part of flue gases discharged to atmosphere by the ID fan and chimney. For heating water in LP heater, deaerator and HP heater, bleed steam from turbine is used. From boiler, saturated steam at about 149 kg per centimeter square pressure and 540 degree centigrade temperature enters into turbine and rotates the turbine at 3000 rpm. With the turbine shaft, a 3-phase generator is coupled and exciter is also coupled with generator shaft. 3-phase generator generates voltage of 15.75 kV in red, yellow and blue phase. This 15.75 kV sent to primary side of generating transformer. From secondary side of transformer we get 220 kV or 110 kV voltage. This voltage sent to switchyard for final distribution. How did you like this tutorial? Please comment. See you in the next tutorial with a new topic. Wish you all the best and stay tuned. Thank you.